giggle internally to ourselves nowadays when people talk about 3D printing and additive, and it's this whole new way of doing things, which really has come to the forefront in the last 3 or 4 years, where we've been doing it for so many years, right? But what happened there were the patents ran out on the stereolithography technology, which allowed a whole slew of manufacturers to come out with new equipment. And that's why you hear so much about it now in the last 4 or 5 years, because there's so many options. But besides that innovation, where we feel we were way early adopters, we're always about innovation. We've developed our own modular manifold system. So a manifold is what you have to put the material through on an injection molding machine to fill a part, especially when it's a larger part. And those take weeks and weeks to build. Well, when you're building a prototype tool in 3 or 4 weeks and the manifold takes 6 weeks to build, you can already do the math that you're in trouble, right? So we developed a system there that goes together like Lego, that we build internally, that works great. And then the beauty of this Lego system is we take it apart when we know we don't need that tool anymore, and we reuse those parts for another tool down the road. And of course, that's a cost saving. So this is one of the, most of our other innovative type ideas are on that tooling side, to find ways to reduce costs for our customers and compete with offshore manufacturers. We've got a modular tooling system, fascia tools, which are a bumper for a car. I think the quickest we were doing them before, when you're buying raw blocks, was in that 12-week range. To give an idea, like a production fascia takes 26 weeks to build. So 12 weeks is already quite impressive for a prototype. Well, with our modular system, and of course using our modular manifold with that as well, we've built fascias in as quick as 6 weeks for clients, which is just unheard of. And that's for a full injection molded, fully functional part for them. So, these are the kind of challenges that we love when customers come to us with. Of course, sometimes we have to say, not possible, at least not with what we know today, but let us take that away, or take your idea away, your request away, and see what we can come back with as a solution at some point down the road.